Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6.
So Jordan finally got his French toast, and as you can see, it's gone. Was it good? Awesome sauce. Happy Sunday. So I'm having bacon and eggs this morning, and I only got one egg because we ran out due to French toast earlier this week and today. So Mama is always the last to get what she wants. But it's okay. Family first, right?
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now, you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus.
Hey guys, it is the end of day 5, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. So stay tuned for the rest of December. Bye bye. Have a good night. Good morning. Welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas. So I've got to physically go into work today, so I'm not sure how much vlogging I can get done or what's going to be done today, but I just wanted to let you know. And also what I might end up doing is putting day 6 and 7 together. When I get off work today, I will probably come home and edit those and then put those up tonight. We'll see. I'm getting out of the sun, but can we all agree, I'm in the drive-thru of Chick-fil-A. Can we all agree that they have the best customer service? Can we? Yes. Hey guys, it is about 7 o'clock in the afternoon and I just made it home from work. So I think I'm gonna make some, I bought some black cracked pepper sausage that I think I'm gonna throw on the stove and maybe get some chicken flavored rice and maybe a side salad. Everybody's eating except for me, so I'm gonna do this real quick. And then I think my sister wants me to help her put together her office chair, so I might do that tonight. So I'm gonna try to put both of these vlogs together from yesterday and today and get those uploaded so that they can, so that I can upload them for tomorrow. See ya.